Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure essentials are ready. Update iPhone and watchOS, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and sign into iCloud. Once done, power on the watch and hold it close to your iPhone. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. The app will show an animated pattern. You do this so both devices can exchange setup data securely. If you see a manual pairing option, choose it only if the automatic camera method fails. Once the iPhone recognizes the watch animation, use your camera to center the pattern and wait for the devices to confirm pairing. Next, you'll decide whether to set up as new or restore a prior backup. Restoring saves apps and preferences, while new lets you start fresh. Make sure to create a watch passcode for security and enable Apple Pay if you use it. Also opt in to health and activity syncing so your fitness data flows between devices seamlessly. Finish by letting the watch sync apps and complete any watch OS updates. This can take several minutes, so keep the devices close. Once synced, review notification, location, and privacy settings in the watch app to ensure alerts and data flow correctly. Make sure cellular and do not disturb are configured if applicable. If pairing or syncing fails, a reliable first troubleshooting step is to restart both devices, toggle airplane mode on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.